Keeping your engine in top condition requires the right care, and choosing the best fuel injector cleaner can make a big difference in performance. In this video, we will explore the top 5 options that can help improve fuel efficiency, reduce buildup, and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Whether you drive daily or cover long distances, the right cleaner can support better mileage and smoother rides. Stay tuned as we highlight the best fuel injector cleaners for reliable results. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chevron Techron Fuel Injector Cleaner. Chevron Techron Concentrate plus Fuel System Cleaner in 12-ounce liquid form is made for those who want to keep their vehicle engine clean and efficient. It is designed to help automobiles, trucks, motorcycles, dirt bikes, boats, recreational vehicles, watercraft, and even lawn care machines maintain smooth operation. With regular use, it supports fuel system maintenance by addressing deposits that build up over time inside injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. When fuel passages remain free from buildup, engines tend to run more smoothly and consistently. Drivers often notice that over time engines lose power and acceleration due to deposits forming in different parts of the system. Using Chevron Techron Concentrate plus Fuel System Cleaner can help in bringing back lost performance and assist in keeping the fuel gauge sensor working accurately. By cleaning deeply, it works on rough idle, hesitation, or sudden surges that sometimes happen when dirt collects inside. It is also helpful for spark plugs since it minimizes the chances of fouling, which can affect ignition. Another benefit is that cold starts improve, especially when weather conditions are less favorable. The cleaner also helps maintain fuel stability for up to 1 year, which is useful for vehicles or machines that are not used every day. Many people choose to apply it every 3,000 miles or during an oil change to make sure the system continues to function well. Chevron Techron Concentrate plus Fuel System Cleaner offers an easy way to care for engines with one simple treatment. In our list, the number 2 product name is Redline Complete Fuel Injector Cleaner. Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner in 15-ounce liquid form is made for keeping vehicles running at their best by cleaning the entire fuel system. It is created with a concentrated formula that works on injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers to clear away unwanted deposits that build up over time. When engines are free from these harmful layers, fuel burns more efficiently, resulting in smoother performance and better overall drive quality. This fuel system cleaner is useful for reducing gum and varnish that often form in gasoline systems. By improving fuel stability, it helps maintain cleaner operation for longer periods. Drivers who rely on their vehicles daily or even occasionally can benefit from this type of treatment, as it works in just one full tank. Many find that one bottle is enough to deliver a noticeable difference in engine response and fuel efficiency. Engines that face hesitation, knocking, or rough idle due to buildup often regain smooth performance when the fuel system is properly maintained. Redline 60103 SI1 also helps protect against corrosion, making it a reliable choice for long-term care. It supports both high temperature and low temperature conditions, ensuring thorough cleaning under various driving situations. Using this treatment regularly can help maintain consistent engine health, whether in cars, trucks, motorcycles, or other gasoline-powered machines. Redline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is an effective way to restore power, protect vital parts, and keep the fuel system clean for dependable performance. In our list, the number 3 product name is Cataclean Exhaust Fuel Injector Cleaner. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner in 16-ounce liquid form is designed to support engines by reducing harmful buildup inside key components. It works across gasoline, diesel, and hybrid vehicles, making it suitable for a wide range of engines. By addressing deposits in catalytic converters, diesel particulate filters, oxygen sensors, and fuel injectors, It helps vehicles maintain smoother operation and better fuel combustion. Regular use keeps these systems cleaner, which can improve efficiency and reduce harmful emissions from the exhaust. Drivers often face problems like check engine lights caused by buildup and reduced performance in critical parts of the system. Cataclean fuel and exhaust system cleaner helps in clearing these issues by restoring proper airflow and combustion, which supports reliable power and smoother idling. Many vehicles that struggle to pass emission standards benefit from its ability to lower hydrocarbon levels significantly, helping engines run cleaner while supporting environmental requirements. Another advantage of using this cleaner is its ability to improve fuel economy over time. With injectors and cylinder heads kept free from gum and carbon, engines burn fuel more effectively, leading to better mileage. This also means less strain on the system, helping avoid costly repairs related to catalytic converters or sensors. Adding the treatment is simple as it is poured directly into the fuel tank without the need for mechanical tools. Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner is a trusted choice for maintaining cleaner engines, smoother performance, and prolonged lifespan of exhaust and fuel components. In our list, the number 4 product name is STP Ultra Fuel System Injector Cleaner. STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer in 12 fluid-ounce liquid form is created to help gasoline engines stay cleaner and perform more smoothly. It is designed with advanced synthetic technology that addresses harmful deposits which often collect inside modern engines. These deposits can reduce efficiency and lead to poor performance, while friction inside the system can increase wear over time. By targeting both issues, it supports smoother operation and better reliability for everyday driving. When added to the fuel tank, this cleaner works through the entire system, reaching injectors, intake parts, and combustion areas. With a higher concentration of cleaning agents compared to regular premium gasoline, it provides deep cleaning benefits that can help restore engine responsiveness. By reducing buildup, fuel is able to burn more completely, which supports better mileage and smoother acceleration. Engines that are used regularly can develop issues like hesitation, reduced power, or rough idling. Using STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner helps to minimize these effects by keeping the intake passages and combustion areas clear. Drivers who want to maintain consistent performance often choose to use it every 4,000 miles for continued protection and stability. Each bottle can treat up to 35 gallons of gasoline, making it suitable for small cars as well as larger vehicles. STP Ultra 5-in-1 Fuel System Cleaner and Stabilizer is a convenient option for those looking to maintain efficiency, reduce friction, and extend the life of their engine. In our list, the number 5 product name is Gumout Fuel System Injector Cleaner. Gumout 510,013W 6-pack Fuel System Cleaner is made for vehicles that have been driven over 75,000 miles and need extra care to keep the engine performing well. With time and heavy use, engines begin to collect carbon deposits inside injectors, intake valves, and ports, which can affect both power and fuel efficiency. This cleaner is developed to remove those deposits so the vehicle can regain smoother operation and better mileage while also lowering harmful emissions released into the air. High-mileage engines face greater challenges from buildup, and Gumout Fuel System Cleaner helps not only in cleaning but also in preventing future deposits. By keeping the intake system and combustion chamber cleaner, the engine stays protected against further loss of performance. It is safe to use in vehicles with oxygen sensors and works effectively in both turbocharged and supercharged engines without causing damage or affecting manufacturer warranties. Applying this treatment is simple, as the entire bottle is poured into a nearly empty tank before refueling. It works best when used every 3,000 miles to maintain consistent results. Many drivers find it valuable for extending the life of older vehicles while keeping them running smoothly on the road. Each pack contains 6 bottles, making it a practical choice for regular maintenance. Gumout 510,013W 6-pack Fuel System Cleaner provides an effective way to restore fuel economy, reduce emissions, and help high-mileage vehicles continue performing reliably. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.